The use of socks as a medium for puppetry dates back to the 19th century, and possibly earlier. One of the most famous sock puppets, Socko, appeared on the Howdy Doody show in the 1950s.
Let's embark on a time-traveling journey through the history of socks, an often overlooked but essential part of our daily lives. Our story begins in ancient Egypt, around 3000 BC. The earliest known socks were created for pharaohs, using a technique similar to knitting. Fast forward to the Romans, innovators in many fields. They introduced the first version of the sock as we know it. They wrapped their feet in fabric or leather for warmth and comfort. During the Middle Ages, socks became a symbol of wealth in Europe. Knitted woolen socks were a luxury, often worn by nobility. The 16th century brought a game changer, the knitting machine. This invention dramatically increased sock production, making them more accessible to the general public. The Industrial Revolution further transformed sock manufacturing. In the 20th century, new materials like nylon transformed socks once again. Today we have socks for every occasion, from athletic to fashion, made from materials offering comfort, durability, and style. The selected materials are spun into yarn. For materials like cotton and wool, this involves cleaning, carding, aligning fibers, and spinning the fibers into yarn. Synthetic materials are produced through chemical processes and then extruded as fibers, which are then spun into yarn. Welcome to the heart of sock creation, the knitting room. Here magic happens as machines weave yarn into socks. Each machine intricately weaves the yarn, crafting patterns and forming the basic shape, including the heel and toe areas. It's a dance of technology and precision, where every loop and stitch counts.
Astronauts in space are advised not to wear socks. In the microgravity environment of space stations, wearing socks can lead to the accumulation of dead skin cells, which would normally fall off and get lost in the carpet at home. In space, these particles can float around and potentially cause harm to the equipment or the astronauts' health. Instead, astronauts use foot loops to secure themselves to the station's surfaces.
Next, our socks need a seamless finish. Welcome to the seaming stage. This delicate process ensures your toes won't feel any irritating seams. It's here that comfort is truly crafted. Each sock is then turned right side out, preparing for the next phase of its journey. After stitching, socks undergo a thorough wash. This not only cleans them but also pre-shrinks the fabric, ensuring your socks will fit perfectly and feel great. Once dried, they're soft, fresh, and ready for the final touches. Quality control is crucial. Here, each sock is inspected for perfection. Every detail from size to stitch strength is scrutinized. We ensure only the best make it through. Our socks are almost ready to meet their new owners. In the final stage, they're neatly folded, paired, and placed into their packaging. Each package is a bundle of comfort and care, ready to make its journey to you. And that's the journey of a sock, from a spool of yarn to a cozy companion for your feet. Every pair tells a story of intricate craftsmanship and attention to detail. Next time you slide into your favorite pair of socks, remember the journey they've been through.